Hello, welcome back to another video here, everyone. Today I'm actually doing an unboxing video and a little bit of an in-the-field product test of this bird feeder here. So I was kindly gifted this by Birdfy Netvue. You can make basically smart camera bird feeders. These things are pretty cool. This is actually my first time using one though. I've been interested in trying one for a long time now, and thankfully they reached out to me out of the blue and just asked if I wanted to try one out, and in exchange for making a video such as this and Instagram reel and all that stuff. So I'm really excited to try this out. This is actually one of their higher end models because they allowed me to choose whichever one I wanted to choose. This one I think retails for about $250, and it is a bamboo bird feeder. So it's made of sustainable bamboo from responsibly sourced forests, and it's going to be pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here and then fill it up with some birdseed and hopefully get some good shots of it and some test footage to share with you here, and just overall sum up my thoughts of using this product here. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here. So pretty big box here. This is a big bird feeder that has two separate channels, it looks like, two separate trays, and the camera in the middle, and then there's a perch here for the birds that kind of fly in, of course, and feed, and the camera of course captures them. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It's my first time looking at it, so bear with me if it takes me a while. It's going to be new for me and hopefully you as well. So it looks like we got a couple manuals here, you know, different languages and stuff. Product structure, exterior. They give you options, it looks like, about how to mount the Birdfy feeder. Looks like with screws and some stuff and the drilling and stuff. So there's options, it looks like. Woo, it's everywhere. Looks like this is the top of it, it's a sturdy surface here. Let's see. Oop. So it looks like it's on a hinge. That's pretty cool. I think it might be best if I put this on its side. I think that would be the way to do it. Hopefully it is, at least. Take it out here carefully. This is on loan, so I want to take care of it, of course. Keep the feeder clean, which you should always do. Okay, so here is the main unit. Ooh, it smells good. It's got that new woodsy smell. So it looks like this is the, looks like I just have to attach it through these little divots here, but it looks like that's the perching part of it. Two separate rows at least. So put this box down here now, and the perch, gonna flip open. So the hinge here, it looks like it doesn't flip all the way back, which is fine of course, but you know, it kind of sticks out that far. And looks like this is the mounting hardware on the back side here. And this box, I think this box contains the camera because it's not actually attached yet into it, as you can see. So there's a huge opening hole right there. That's, you know, clearly where the camera would go. But yeah, looks pretty nice. These are like a plexiglass, it looks like, so it should be pretty easy, as you can see, the slide out and clean and everything. And to also monitor how much seed you, of course, use. So yeah, this actually looks really good. Really good construction and everything. It's got a nice, let's see if I can pull it out here. So it does kind of pop out, which is nice to clean it. It's a mesh floor to the bird feeder there. So that's actually, it looks like kind of like a nice, almost like steel, I think, or some kind of metal. So that pulls out easily to, of course, clean. Keeps the seed in there, of course, in the tray as it slowly falls down to the bottom of the port here. And that's pretty sturdy, as you can tell. Clasps, I guess, really well. And then, of course, the perches here, which just look like they slide in right here. So yeah, that's actually, I didn't expect the perches to protrude up that far, but they really do. So I mean, it gives it a lot of distance for like both big and small birds, I think, to really you know, utilize the feeder to its full potential here. And so opening up this other box here, I think this might be the camera. Looks about the size for it. Yep, it is the camera here. So please remove protection film before use. Yeah, you should be, I think, about HD. I'm not sure the maximum resolution on it. It says FHD, so it might be like a 1080p, which by nowadays standards is a little bit lower, but it might go all the way up to 4K. Don't quote me on it. Like I said, I don't have much foreknowledge of the product here beyond what I'm seeing right now, really. So it looks like this just attaches in there, and let's see what these other boxes. This is just a hollow thing, I guess a placeholder. So it keeps the electronics and contents, keeps them in place. Looks like we got some clamps of varying sizes. I'm assuming these are for the mounting. It looks like, I believe this is an antenna, probably for some kind of broadcasting. I believe there's an app or something that you have, and you can download on your phone, and it gives you a camera to view the birds from remotely, of course. So I don't think this is like a traditional like trail camera where you have to go and take out a memory card and offload the images and all that stuff, which is stuff I'm used to a little bit. Some mounting screws. There is a strap, so maybe looks like you can just maybe if you want to attach it to a tree, I'm guessing it's got a little ratchet strap here. There is a USB C type, what would it be? Yeah, C type, and a regular USB port cable. One on both ends. Get a little tiny screwdriver to mount it, and it looks like there's another mounting bracket here to install with. And then there's some kind of decal. I'm not sure what this is for. This might be just for lining up the mounting on the actual bird feeder, which is pretty cool. And so that box is empty now. Let's see. Solar panel. So yeah, this is actually, I forgot to mention to this point, but this specific bamboo model of bird feeder here by Netvue is also solar powered, which is really cool. So you don't have to hook it up to any electrical outlets or anything externally. It just has a nice little solar panel here. I'm not sure where this one connects to, but quite yet, but I will keep an eye out. Looks like there's some ports here on the camera and stuff. On the top there, you just kind of a flip open lid for that. And then there is more, looks like mounting hardware. There's a little bit of there's a U bracket in there, as you can see, and then some more clamps, and then some more screws. So it's a lot of stuff here. It looks pretty self-explanatory to put it all together and everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions here, and then of course bring it out to the backyard where we can get started with bird feeding. And let's just see maybe over the next week or two how many birds, different variety and different images we can capture with this bird feeder, which would be, I think, pretty cool here. My bird seed of choice, if anyone's curious, they're not affiliated like the bird feeder is for this video, but I just like to give them a shout out because there might be a franchise or location near you. But I use Wild Birds Unlimited bird seed. I'm using currently the Supreme blend. Includes stuff like oil sunflower seeds, safflower, sunflower chips, striped sunflower seed, and it has a variety of, bird seed, of course. But they have tons of mixes. They have no mess blends. They have bark butter was one of their specialty items that they have. Suet. They've got tons of different things. It's a great store, great shop to go to. You can order online, go in store. They have things like bird baths, hummingbird feeders, literally anything for just both backyard birds and backyard wildlife that you can imagine they have at this place. So it's a really cool shop, and they're affordable price, and they have a membership that I think is really nice, and it makes it affordable for bird feeding in their backyard all year round, really. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all together, like I said, fill it up, and we'll get started here with the Birdfy bird feeding here. Okay, so it looks like I got it finally connected, recording from my phone, but I also have the device right here. So I got a two-way camera set up right now. But go ahead, got the antenna plugged in. I have the solar panel to hook up. Basically, it just goes right into there.